Hey y'all, Choice here. Thank you so much for joining me again for another session of Choice Spirit. Here I want to take a moment and talk about, I really want to stay away from what's going on, what's happening around, because there's a couple of things. If I go into the spiritual aspect, I know it's all within mind. And I know it's all showing and telling us something, helping us to grow, evolve, and ascend. But sometimes, but with that said, people are seeing things, people are hearing things. And getting very angry. Yeah. Because we're caught up in the delusion. We've become delusional about the illusion. Perhaps those that see this, they choose to just kind of like turn their head and focus on their garden or something. Then there's others that see it, that gets, we get caught up in it emotionally. Can't shake it. How do you tell these people that they're caught up in the illusion and they're becoming delusional about it? But so much is being shown about what's going on all over the world, and people had enough. Can we say that it is the inner me? It's the inner me, the enemy within, that is creating this illusion that has us so caught up that we can't shake it, because this is reality. We believe it and know that it's reality because we're seeing it, we're experiencing it, we're going through it, we're crying through it, we're fighting through it. And it's no joke. Dealing with all nature of human beings, doing all nature of things. The amazing part is I wouldn't be able to talk to you about any of this had I not tuned into it. Had I not tuned into it, I would lack the information to tell you. Doesn't mean that it's not still going on in the world of those who are consuming it. So I can let my heart go out and open up and send a prayer knowing that it's all well, that all is well. There isn't anything to fear. And to pull back. In one of my other videos, I talked about going into that quiet space, finding that center, the I that is who you are, the I in you, drawing back and putting everything you think you know out the door. All that you believe yourself to be, your ego, your attitude, your mindset, your disposition, whatever you want to call it, put it out. Move it away from you for a moment. And go into that quiet space and observe it. And you will find that there is a vibe that lets you know in your heart it's all well. All is well. Just a quick word. Choice here. Thank you so much for joining me again for another session of Choice Spirit. Namaste.